Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the 2018 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Harley-Davidson diecast motorcycle replica comes in a Harley-Davidson affiliated window type box, which is a standard boxing by Maisto. So as you can see, bang in the middle on the base plate this model comes on is the Maisto logo alongside the name of this model, which is the Harley-Davidson 2018 CVO Road Glide. And on this bottom corner of the packaging, you will see the Maisto logo alongside the Harley-Davidson logo. And on this top corner of the box, you will find the scale of this model, which is a 118 scale. And on the top of the box is the Maisto logo and the Harley-Davidson official licensed product branding. And on the side of the box, you will find the Maisto logo and the Harley-Davidson logo along with the HD custom branding, which is pretty much the same on the back and on the other side of the box as well. And finally, on the bottom of the box, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this open. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that I've done an exclusive unboxing of this 118 scale 2002 Harley-Davidson FLTR Road Glide, which is also manufactured by Maisto, of which I'll drop the link in the description below. So go check it out if you're interested and let me know which one of these Harley-Davidson replicas are your favorite in the comments below. And with that out of the way, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. And the sculpt, the detail and finish on this replica is simply stunning and sure will make a good addition to your collection. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this Harley-Davidson Road Glide replica comes with a glossy black chassis with a grey and black color scheme which is prominent all throughout this model, along with some red accents and minimalistic Harley-Davidson branding. This replica comes with a black steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the color theme on this replica. And this model also comes with a well-detailed and massive tourer style headlight unit, which has a pair of headlights, a small visor which is in black, a pair of front turn signals and a speedometer. And this unit flows into an all-black handlebar with a pair of hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers, along with a pair of rear view mirrors. And moving down is a grey front fender that wraps around a beautiful grey alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a double disc brake unit which is in silver. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in grey with some fabrication in black with the Harley-Davidson logo on both sides which are in black as well, which seamlessly flow together as a single unit. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed V-twin engine sculpt which is in black for the most part, with some highlights in red and silver, along with some Harley-Davidson branding on the engine caps, which looks stunning and well-detailed. And this beautiful engine sculpt is connected to a dual exhaust, which is in black, with the rest of the midsection components blacked out as well. And talking about the seat, it's a tourer style double seat which is in black with some good details that flow into a well sculpted tailpiece unit which has a rear fender with a pair of rear turn signals on it along with two side boxes attached. And these components flow together as one tailpiece unit along with the tail light and a number plate as well. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with a chain and sprocket unit along with a single disc brake unit, which is standard. And just so you know, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension, unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide. And I'm glad I got this replica to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So let's go ahead and make a side-by-side comparison of the 2018 CVO Road Glide and the 2002 FLTR Road Glide. And please do let me know which one of these Harley-Davidson replicas are your favorite in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, all I can say is that both these replicas have a good build quality and are amazing and look unique in their own way. But if I were to choose, I'd route for the 2018 CVO Road Glide. So go ahead and let me know which one of these replicas are your favorite in the comments below. So overall, this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica with some awesome details and is a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Harley-Davidson enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed 2018 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, by the looks of it, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors. And this Harley-Davidson motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide coming up. The Harley-Davidson CVO, which stands for Custom Vehicle Operations for motorcycles, are a family of models created by Harley-Davidson for the factory custom market. For every model year since the program's inception in 1999, Harley-Davidson has chosen a small section of its mass-produced motorcycle models and created limited edition customizations of those platforms with larger displacement engines, costlier paint designs, and additional accessories not found on the mainstream models. Special features for the CVO lineup have included performance upgrades from Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle branded parts, hand-painted pinstripes, ostrich leather on seats and trunks, gold leaf incorporated in paint, and electronic accessories like GPS navigation systems and iPod music players. Accessories that are created for these CVO customized units are sometimes offered in the Harley-Davidson accessory catalog for all models in late years. but badging and paint are kept exclusively for CVO model owners and cannot be replaced without providing proof of ownership to the ordering dealer. And for further information on the Harley-Davidson 2018 CVO Road Glide, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing 2018 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide replica, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing diecast Harley-Davidson replica. And in case you're interested and missed out on our previous episodes, kindly do check out the rest of the 112 scale and the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly do support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle unbox and review episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.